It's a process of elimination when we talk about severe weather and analyzing storm damage. Of course, a lot of places without power, 60,000 plus with our most recent wind event. But we kind of take a look at a process of elimination with first a tornado versus straight line wind damage. We didn't see any circular path here with some of our trees. All of our trees kind of fell in the direction of the wind. So that means it was not a tornado, but it was likely straight line wind damage. But then you get into straight line wind damage, and there's other things that happen with straight line wind damage. One of them being a derecho. That's a long-lived storm, 250 plus miles. We didn't see that through our region. But then there's microburst and macroburst. Microburst, the smaller one, 2.5 miles up to that in diameter, 6.2 for the macroburst. However, what we do typically see with that is numerous snap trees in one location with winds 80 to 110 miles per hour. The strongest wind gust we saw was 72. So not saying the wind wasn't there, but we didn't really see any locations with that widespread wind damage just in one location. Evaporative cooling, it kind of collapsed our updraft that provided all the hail in western Rhode Island. Once that air hits the ground, of course, this is how a microburst forms, and this is what was in the scene in Seekonk last year. You can see all of those trees in one area were snapped, and that's how they confirm a microburst. So all in all, intense thunderstorm updraft that collapsed, leading to pockets of localized wind damage. No specific area, though, had a greater amount or trees down than another area within the storm's path based on reports. So all in all, just some strong thunderstorm winds we saw, Molly, but of course, a very impactful storm.